Welcome to AMABestChoice.com. In this video, we've curated a list of the top 5 best budget gaming PCs on Amazon that redefine affordable gaming without compromising performance. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just getting started, these budget-friendly options deliver bang for your buck. Number 1.
The SkyTech Blaze II stands out as a gaming powerhouse, boasting exceptional features that redefine the gaming experience. Anchored by the potent Ryzen 5 2606-core processor and a rapid 500GB SSD, this PC delivers unmatched speed and responsiveness. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB GDDR5 video card ensures breathtaking visuals, while the 8GB DDR4 3000 gaming memory with a heat spreader guarantees optimal efficiency. Aesthetically pleasing, the system incorporates 3 vibrant RGB ring fans and a sleek tempered glass case. With a 550-watt power supply, CAC Wi-Fi, and a bloatware-free Windows 10 Home 64-bit. This gaming rig sets a new standard, excelling in both performance and design.
Number 2.
The ASUS Expert Center D5 stands out as a prime choice for gaming enthusiasts seeking a blend of power and sophistication. Boasting a 13th General Intel Core i7-13700 processor with a remarkable 16 cores and speeds of up to 5.2 GHz, coupled with a generous 16GB DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 1TB M.2 MPC 4.0 SSD, expandable up to 64 GB. This PC ensures seamless gaming performance. Its compact small form factor design, weighing just 11.02 pounds, makes it an ideal solution for offices with limited space. The inclusion of TPM 2.0 security chip and Kensington security slot provides robust data encryption, ensuring a secure gaming environment. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, along with a variety of front I/O ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2, this PC offers unparalleled connectivity. While primarily designed for business use with Windows 11 Pro, the ASUS Expert Center D5 proves to be a versatile and high-performance option for gaming enthusiasts.
Number 3.
The SkyTech Blaze III sets a new standard for gaming PCs with its outstanding features and performance. Powered by the Intel Core i5-12400F processor clocked at 2.5 GHz, and equipped with the potent NVIDIA RTX 3060. This gaming desktop delivers exceptional speed and graphics capabilities. The inclusion of 11 AC Wi-Fi ensures seamless online gaming, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Running on Windows 11 Home 64-bit, the system provides a user-friendly interface. The package is complemented by the inclusion of the Kuru 24-inch computer monitor, featuring HDMI and DP ports for versatile connectivity and eye care features for prolonged gaming sessions. The SkyTech Blaze III is a comprehensive gaming solution, offering both powerful hardware and a high-quality monitor, making it an excellent choice for gamers looking for a top-tier gaming experience.
Number 4.
The CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme emerges as a standout choice for gamers, blending powerful components with thoughtful design. Driven by the Intel Core i5-10400F 2.9 GHz 6-core processor, and featuring an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB video card, this PC delivers a robust gaming performance. The 8GB DDR4 RAM and a swift 500GB PCIe SSD ensure quick load times and smooth multitasking. Connectivity is comprehensive, offering 6x USB 3.1, 2x USB 2.0, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi for flexible options. The tempered glass side case panel and RGB lighting add a touch of flair, enhancing the gaming atmosphere. With a 7.1-channel audio system, a bundled RGB gaming mouse, and the reliability of genuine Windows 10 Home 64-bit, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Xtreme strikes a balance between performance and aesthetics. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty with free lifetime tech support, it stands as a compelling choice for gamers seeking a reliable and visually appealing gaming PC.
Number 5.
The iBuyPower SlateMesh stands out as a stellar gaming PC, offering a compelling blend of cutting-edge components and thoughtful design elements. Powered by the potent AMD Ryzen 5 7600 and featuring the RTX 4068GB. Along with a speedy 16GB DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz and a responsive 500GB SSD. This system ensures a high-performance gaming experience. The connectivity options, including 6x USB 3.1 and RJ45 network Ethernet, provide flexibility for various peripherals and networking needs. The tempered glass RGB gaming case with 16-color RGB lighting adds a touch of visual flair to the setup. The inclusion of 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and a free iBuyPower gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse enhance the overall gaming convenience. Moreover, the absence of bloatware ensures a streamlined experience. With Windows 11 Home as its operating system, the iBuyPower SlateMesh stands as an excellent choice for gamers seeking a powerful, well-designed, and feature-packed gaming PC.